Jason Marshall Bros. Show. I still don't see why we cannot using the stairs, bro.
Cause taking the stairs will reload the superness.
Don't you think you need to work out some more?
Well, good thing I don't have to work it.
I'm serious, Marshall.
Yeah, so am I. Now, for right now, let's just work up our superness and we'll be fine.
I just hope you're right.
Woo, we must be here. See? Not that bad, huh?
Yeah.
Patrick, I'm scared.
Alright, crewmates. This is it. The dark hallway. Grab your flashlights and turn them on.
Ah, that's better.
Okay, we're gonna have to make 2 teams. SpongeBob, Sandy, you next to each other. Patrick, Eugene, Squidward, you between yourselves too. But sir... Rule number 1.
Always listen to Chase and Marshall.
That's right, Eugene. Now, me and my brother will be next to each other when we get a little bit scared.
He's right. If you guys found anything, you just called us in a walkie-talkie.
Thank you, dear brother. Now, any questions before we split up? Yes, Patrick.
Can I go with SpongeBob and Sandy? I'm a little bit scared.
Yes, you can. But remember, we're superheroes. Superheroes doesn't get scared sometimes, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now.
What's this? My hat?
And what does this hat do?
Covers the bald spot?
It's not bald.
It's your head.
Oh, right, my head.
Anyway.
What are you doing right now? Worrying? And what do we do when we worry? Put it in the hat?
Good.
Very good.
Alright, split up. Find Twilight sparkles. Me and my brother will go to the middle.
We heard the boss. You two go to the left, we'll go to the right.
Aye.
Gotta find the princess.
Hello? Anybody home? What is this?
It's some kind of wall of psychic energy.
No, Patrick, it's just a door.
You're right. We should probably enter. Hello?
Hello there.
Anyone
We
there?
come in peace.
Hello?
Is there any plumbing
We're
emergency?
looking for Twilight.
Huh? Wait a second. Those fish are dead.
So what's the plan, Sandy? Run faster! I could have thought of that.
Any luck yet, Marshall?
No, not yet. But we're about to get luck, alright.
What the?
Boss, look out!
What did you 3 do?
Say, there's a bad pony on the loose! We have to go!
A what? Ay, ay, ay!
Wait a second.
I got it! Sandy, do you still got the net launcher?
I'm way ahead of you, sir.
Freeze, Mrs. Pony! Hold it right there!
Huh?
Stay where you are! We got the net launcher!
Why did... don't shoot! Okay, shoot me, but don't take my friends, please!
We don't want your friends, Pony Girl. We just want to have a talk with you to the plumber lookout. Get her! Why, it's them! Don't worry, citizens of Adventure City. We have captured the Anger female pony. Bring her out, boys.
Anger female pony? Is that what this is about?
That is right. And you can tell it to the plumber lookout. Take her to our plumber vanmobile, boys.
You got it, sir.
What? Wait, you can't take me to the plumber lookout. I'm trying to find my...
All right, crewmates. Return back home.
So long, kiddies!
I knew we could count on them.
Stick around, Paw Patrol fans. We'll be right back.